In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export key financial reports from QuickBooks Online and use them in TurboTax. We'll start inside QuickBooks Online. Sign into your account, and once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it to open the tools you need. From there, choose Export Data. Depending on your region, this may be the only export option you see, and that's perfectly fine for what we're doing today. The export tool will gather the reports you select into files you can open or share with your tax software. On the export screen, select the reports you need. For a complete tax workflow, choose General Ledger, Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, Trial Balance, and Journal. These give you the full picture. Profit and Loss summarizes income and expenses. Balance Sheet lists assets, liabilities, and equity. The trial balance shows ending balances for every account, and the General Ledger and Journal provide transaction-level detail when you need to trace a number. Next, set the date range. If you're preparing a return for the full year, choose all dates or set a custom range that matches your tax year, such as January 1st through December 31st. Consistency here is key, so use the same dates across all selected reports. When your selections are set, click Export. QuickBooks will download either a zip file containing multiple reports or an Excel file. Save the download in a clearly labeled folder. If it's a zip, unzip it so each report is easy to open. It helps to keep the original files untouched and work from copies if you're planning to add highlights or filters. Now, open TurboTax and sign in. Depending on your version, you may see an option to upload spreadsheets, or you'll proceed with manual entry. Either way, you'll use the reports you just exported to provide the numbers TurboTax asks for. When TurboTax prompts for income and expenses, use your profit and loss report. Match the totals for each category to the fields on screen. When it asks about assets and liabilities, turn to your balance sheet for the year-end balances. If you need precise account balances, the trial balance is your quick reference because it lists every account's final debit or credit. For any items that need more context, open the General Ledger or Journal to see the supporting transactions. This is especially helpful if you need to confirm which account a transaction hit or clarify unusual amounts. Work through TurboTax's prompts at a steady pace, keeping your reports side by side. When you've entered everything, you're ready to continue with your return using complete, consistent numbers exported directly from QuickBooks Online.